Hi, today in this video I will show you how to install Windows in your Mac using VirtualBox. For that, first you will need to open a browser and you will need to download two things. One of them is the VirtualBox software and Windows ISO file. So let's start with downloading Windows ISO file. For that, let's type Windows 10 ISO. Microsoft itself provides Windows 10 disk image which you can install with VirtualBox. So let's open this page and download it from here. You need to navigate it to this section, select edition and choose Windows 10 and then confirm. Choose the language that you want. I'll go with English and then click confirm. From here, choose one of these. I will go with 64-bit download and save it to your PC. So the download has started and it will take some time. In the meantime, we will download VirtualBox as well. Type VirtualBox in the browser and you can download this Oracle VM VirtualBox. Click on this button, download VirtualBox, and select your operating system. I'm using a Mac, so I'll go with OS X host. And again, your download will start. After the download has completed for the VirtualBox, open this file. And you need to open this VirtualBox.package. And then click continue. So it will take you through the process. And you need to type in your password. The installation has completed. You can close this. And you can move this installation file to the bin. Now let's open the VirtualBox from your Mac. From here, you can create a new virtual operating system. To create a new one, click on New or Control N. Type the name for your virtual operating system. That will be Microsoft Windows. And select Microsoft Windows under Type and select the version as well. Windows 10 64-bit. And then click on Continue. You can choose how much RAM you want to assign for the Windows OS and click on Continue. You can leave it as it is and click on Create. And again leave as it is and click Continue. Again Continue. This is the space that you will allocate for your Windows OS, and it depends on how much files you will be storing in your Windows OS. Let's give it like 20 gigabytes and then click on Create. Now you need to select your operating system that you just created and then click on Start. From here, we will load the Windows ISO image that we just downloaded. Click on this icon and click on Add. And then select the ISO image that you just downloaded and click on Open. And click on Choose. And then Start. So now it will take you through the steps as you are installing the Windows. You can close these and your mouse will work inside this window. Choose this as you want and then click on Next and then Install Now. You can skip this, but I will show you how to activate your Windows after you complete installing this process. For now, just click on I don't have a product key. You can choose one of these operating systems, and I think Windows 10 Pro M is the best because it is the professional version and it won't install any of the media tools such as Windows Media Player and others, so that you can choose your own and install them by yourself. Accept the terms and conditions and then click on Next. Click on Custom Install Windows. And then this is this drive that was allocated by VirtualBox for your Windows OS, and click on next. It will take some time, so I will continue after this finish. Now the installation has completed successfully. Also, don't forget to check the link in description to activate your Windows. Your virtual OS will have the same network your laptop is connected to. If you want to turn off your virtual Windows OS, you can go to Machine and click on Shutdown, or click on Start and the power button and shut down. If you want to delete the virtual Microsoft Windows OS from your VirtualBox, right click on Microsoft Windows and then click on Remove. Then select Remove all files to delete all associated files with the operating system. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you liked the video. Also, don't forget to check the link in description to activate your Windows.